Today we're making this luxurious, fluffy and tender oven-baked omelette. It's tall, light, with a soft creamy texture and a beautiful golden crust, just like in childhood. First, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Take the eggs. The number of eggs can be any. I'm using 6. Crack them into a tall, narrow container. I'm using a measuring cup so the milliliters are clearly visible. You can also use a glass jar. It makes measuring very easy. I ended up with 270 milliliters of eggs. Pour the eggs into a deep bowl where we'll mix everything. Many people like to add the milk right away. But first, we add the salt and gently mix everything together. Add half a teaspoon of salt or adjust to your taste. There's one important rule here. Mix gently, but do not whisk. While mixing, make sure there are no unmixed egg whites left. If any remain, keep stirring. Otherwise, after baking, you'll get white egg streaks instead of a smooth, airy texture. Now measure the same amount of milk, 270 milliliters. To make the omelette more aromatic, add a little vanilla, about 1/3 of a teaspoon. Mix again until the mixture is light and smooth, with no stretchy egg whites. Grease a baking dish with butter. Choose a dish that is taller rather than wide. Now pour the egg mixture into the baking dish and place it in the oven. Bake in the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes. There's an old legend about the Austrian Emperor Franz Joseph. One day, during a hunt in the Alps, he became very hungry by evening. On his way, he stopped at a simple peasant's house. The hostess wasn't expecting noble guests and cooked what she had on hand: eggs. She quickly mixed them and cooked them in a pan. The emperor liked the dish so much that, they say, egg dishes became popular even on rich tables. Whether this is true or just a legend, we don't know. But one thing is certain: omelettes are loved all over the world to this day. And now our omelette is ready. Incredibly fluffy and delicious. Just look at it. It's truly something special. A simple recipe with only 3 main ingredients and a few spices, yet the result is a real masterpiece. Try this oven-baked omelette and enjoy a classic dish with a flawless cooking technique. You can use 10 or even 12 eggs and choose a larger baking dish, so the whole family can enjoy this delicious treat. The oven omelette turns out tall, fluffy, and incredibly tender. It rises evenly, stays airy and soft inside, with tiny bubbles and no dryness or white egg streaks. On top, a beautiful golden crust, and the taste is creamy and rich, just like in childhood. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments. Tell me how you cook your omelette. See you next time. Bye-bye.